Viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how you can earn free money from airdrop hunt. Okay, so before I dive into that, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do want to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can get value from this amazing content. So the first thing first you must do, since we're using Bybit for these tutorials and for this opportunity, you just need a Bybit account. Not just Bybit account, but a verified Bybit account, right? So what you just need to do is to sign up to your open your dashboard and locate airdrop hunt. To be written there, airdrop hunt. Okay. Once you hear airdrop hunt, what should come to your mind is how to what? How to hunt for an airdrop. Okay, how to search for an airdrop. And today's opportunity on this airdrop hunt is talking about X Empire airdrop event. How does it works? Let's quickly dive into that to look at that. This is X airdrop event, which is this. It's currently ongoing. This is another high opportunity that you can use to make money for yourself. You look at this place to check out how long will it take. What is the total price pool? Is ending 11 days, 11 hours, 39 minutes, and some couple of seconds from now. Alright? So all you just need to do is to click on join here. In order to what? To be involved in these activities and earn X Empire tokens in return. Got the project? All you just need to do here is to complete a simple task to win a token airdrop. And what token are you earning? Are you winning? The token you're winning is X Empire tokens. Let's look at it. You can see these ones are past events. So we're focusing on the ongoing events, which is the X airdrop event. One of the most fascinating things about this activity is that you can refer this activity, this task, and also earn from it whenever somebody participated using your referral earning link. Okay, which is this one. Click on this. So I'm going to drop my own referral link at the descriptive section of this very video and also at the comment section so that you can use it to sign up. Okay, this is my referral code, but I'm going to drop the link so that it can be easier on you. All right, so the token you're going to win is out of these 240 million X Empire coins. This is where you're getting from. All right, so let's get back there to click on join so that we can start performing on this activity direct. All right, so we're returning. Wow, it logs us out completely. So let's go back there. You come to your dashboard and trace what? And trace airdrop hunts. Okay, let's quickly go back in there. So we're going to click on join. We'll click on join. So if you click on join, this has opened way for you to be eligible for the airdrop. Okay, so what is it saying here? Wow, I think there's an update here. The tax end in 3 days, 11 hours, 36 minutes, and couple of seconds. What is it saying here? What it's saying here is that you should complete the task to win from 240 million prize pool. Okay, currently we have only 2,000 participants. Will be randomly selected to win 80 3,000 each. All right. Aside from all these people, 2,000 participants will be 3,000 participants will be selected separately to win 80,000 of this coin. All right. So first thing you need to do, log in and registered before 24th. Good. Before 24th. Don't forget. Second activity sets between 10 to 17 to 10:24 UTC. Complete the task. What does tax 1 says? Tax 1 says follow Bybit official on X. Good. Tax 2 says follow them on X Empire Games. Tax 3 says quote and also repost this post with your comment. You should repost the post and also make a comment on it. Tax 4 says complete the deposit task. Tax 5 says deposit at least 100 USDT. And tax 5 says complete the trade task. What's the trade task? Trade at least 100 USDT of X on pre-market spot. It's already in the pre-market. So all you just need to do is to trade it on the pre-market spot. Get a chance to win 80,000 of this coin. So all you just need to do now is to look at those terms and conditions. Users must register. Users must complete identity verifications and so on. Only 3,000 participants who completed all the required tasks will be randomly selected to win 80,000 of this X Empire's coin. So look at it carefully. Then you come to this place to click on register. Perform the activities. The distribution is real. Just make sure you get done with all the stuffs. All right. So registration successful. Register successfully. Next, complete all the tasks for a chance to win token airdrops. Okay. So what you need to do now after the registration successful, you should go back straight to complete all these activities. It's just 5 activities. Complete it carefully and start earning for yourself. So how do you complete this? Come to this place to click on follow to follow. Come here as well to click on follow to follow. Here you need to repost. That is simply what you just need to do. Here you just need to make a deposit. All right. And the number 5 is you need to trade. Let's do the few together. So this is going to navigate us straight to the X. If we get to this X, all we just need to do there is to follow. Activities will be done, right? Click on follow here. All right. So after you follow here, you can see this task is completed. So we're going to proceed to the second one. Second task. Let's see. Click on it to follow. If you click on it, you're going to go into a search patient a little for it to load up. If you load up, still do the same thing. Follow. All right. You can see here, task is what? Completed. Okay. This one says we should repost. Click on it. So all you just need to do here is to repost this. Repost this and also make your comment on it. That is all. It's very simple. You can see completed. Right? Then you can come to this place to say, okay, make a deposit. How do you want to make your deposit? Deposit USDT from a wallet or an external exchange. Okay? Or buy USDT via your banks, via your bank card, and the others. fiat balance, and more. So you know how to do this already. All you just need to do is to click on this. It will now navigate you straight to where you can purchase like at least 100 USDT, maybe, which is roughly 150k, right? Yeah, which is roughly 150k. You're gonna going to just to do that simply and be done with that. Okay, and be done with that. So after you're done with that, the next thing you just need to do is to come to this place to what? To make your trade. You can come here to say trade now. Okay, trade now, it will now navigate you straight to your pre-market. If you come to your pre-market, all you just need to do is to buy. Okay, buy this rate. You're gonna use your money, the one you just deposited, to buy. So this person is above your limit, right? You just need to buy only 100 USDT. So you will check, keep checking, you found your trading mates. Okay, then you can buy. After you buy, then you can hold and hold on or wait till when it is listed. Then you can what? You can cash out your money and also take the profit that you were promised. All right, so that is it. Follow it up carefully and make a lot for yourself. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me from the beginning to the end. If you do have any question, do not hesitate. Drop it at the comment sections and I will attend to you ASAP. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.